你哋20分鐘就上嚟，仲要成班人。My friends are coming up in 20 minutes.
I see.
I need more food.
Don't worry, Leanne. I got some Christmas recipe for the last minute. It's only take 20 minutes to make. Okay, let's go. Thank you. You're welcome. So Leanne, we're going to make the sausage croissant in Christmas style in the Star Chef. And this one is croissant dough. So they already make a dough for you. And now we putting our sauce. You add some mozzarella cheese on top. You add some agua.
Okay.
And you rolling them.
Rolling them.
Yes, very nice, very nice. Okay. Now this side, I'm going to cut it. So make sure you put it tight to the mold. Touch some egg on top. And then after you can put inside the oven and bake for 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, we're going to make chicken wrap in 3D style Christmas tree. Yeah, I will season with thyme, black pepper, garlic powder. Here I have olive oil, and we will fry it inside oil very fast too, so the chicken still be firm, juicy. Then spread it inside like you spreading the butter on the bread. So we're going to put the Spanish leaf. Yeah, you can see the chicken is really tender, dry. Cranberry, and then we start rolling up the same thing. Make it tightly. Yeah, push it. Okay. Try to make it circle. Okay. Yeah, go on.
Christmas tree.
Yeah, it doesn't look like right. Okay, I think we should decorate with cranberry here and maybe with parsley. Yeah, so it look like more, the tree style. Okay. Yeah, like that. Oh, finally we done. Okay. Okay, this is going to be our last dish for today. So we are going to make apple, walnut, cranberry salad. So we are going to start from the apple dressing. To use the apple cider vinegar. So now we got our dressing now. You can see dishes have so many color. Have green color from the spinach. Have red color from the cranberry. Yeah, have like red dark from the dry cranberry. So mix of the color to make your food look more appetizer. Yeah. So here you go. We are done for our food today and for your friend coming. Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah.